Look at this bouncy long lasting curl. Now let me show you exactly how to get this. If you don't clip your curls, they open up and quickly and lose their hold. Taking thick white section, this gives you loose curls that don't last for long lasting bounce. Always take smaller sections. Start with slightly damp hair. Apply about 2 pumps of Osis Mousse on a paddle brush and distribute evenly from roots to the end. Then apply your heat protector all over. Make sure the hair is 100% dry before curling. This step is critical for hold. Take clean 1-inch section. This gives you control and more defined curls. Using a 1-inch flat iron at high heat for thick hair, insert the iron, do 1 full turn and glide upwards smoothly. This creates a structured bouncy curls. If you guys like the video, please subscribe and like. Lightly spray with Osis elastic spray, then clip the curl and let it cool completely. This is what makes the curl last. On this side, I clipped the curl. On the other side, I didn't clip. You can clearly see the difference in hold and bounce. Still, again, I'm going to use Osis elastic spray. So when you take the section that are too big, the curl won't last because the heat can fully penetrate within the hair. Penetrate the hair. Using a 1-inch flat iron at high heat for thick hair, insert the iron, do 1 full turn and glide upward smoothly. This creates a structured bouncy curl. So right now I'm using the temperature 430 Fahrenheit because my mannequin has 100% thick hair. Lightly spray with Osis elastic spray, then clip the curl and let it cool completely. This is what makes the curl last. So repeating same. And if you guys have a fine or medium thick hair, so temperature for fine hair is going to be 300 or 350 Fahrenheit. If you have a medium to coarse hair, so 390, and thick hair 400 to 450 Fahrenheit. In between you can use the heat temperature. Again I'm using the holding spray, light hold. It's very, very important to use clip after the curl. Clip up. So my next video will be for fine hair. Lots of people, they are asking about how to create bouncy curls on fine hair. So I will be creating that. So my next video will be coming next week, is going to be for fine hair bouncy curls. So just remember, I'm using the light hold spray while I'm curling. So once all curls are cool, release them. Use a white tooth comb first and then a paddle brush for soft blended volume. For extra bounce, take bigger section and use small comb with finger twisting to shape and lift the curls. Then you can see lots of volume too. Now lock to everything in. I am using finishing spray, session spray, lightly mist all over to hold the shape without making the curls stiff. And this is the final result: soft, volumizing, long-lasting bouncy curls. Hopefully you guys like. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.